Sa umaga pa lang, may ngiti ka na. Kahit pagod na, tuloy pa rin ang laban talaga. Tahimik pero ramdaman. Ang tapang sa simpleng galaw mo, may bigat ang pangalan. Hindi man perpekto, pero totoo. Lahat ng gawa mo galing sa puso. Sa bawat hakbang, may dala kang pag-asa. Sa bawat salita, may dasal na kasama. Hindi mo alam, pero dama ng lahat. Dahil ikaw ang lakas ng taong mahal ka. Shine, Ashley, shine so bright. Kindness glowing in the darkest nights. Thoughts lay a heart.
Lady. She's there in hit projects like Black Rider and the Maka series. She is now the third big placer in PBB, where she showed her true kindness and genuine heart. Let us all rise as we welcome ang longing sweetheart ng Las Piñas, Ashley Sarmiento! Once again, let's all rise as we welcome ang longing sweetheart ng Las Piñas! Everyone, welcome to the Panagan, Ashley Sarmiento. Hi ka naman, Ashley. Kayo kapapat.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm so happy to see each and every single one of you here. And yeah, sana mag-enjoy po tayo lahat. Thank you for coming po.
Ayun na nga, napaka-pretty naman. So first of all, we would like to congratulate you, Ashley, on your amazing journey inside Pinoy Big Brothers House. Lahat ng ipinamalas mo, talagang nag-inspire ng maraming tao. Kaya ang daming tao na nandito ngayon. At syempre, recently lang, di ba, she was awarded as TV Supporting Actress of the Year. Palakpakan naman natin siya. So we would like to take this opportunity na i-congratulate ka. Grabe ang husay, talagang nag-pay yung hard work mo, okay? So ngayon naman, everyone, we will introduce Sparkle, Mr. Jerome. Dahil meron din po siyang ipinipare para po sa ating lahat.
Ayun, patapakan natin si Ashley Sarmiento, everybody. Talaga sa sigaw ng Ashley Nation in 3, 2, 1! Parang feeling ko mayroon pang mas ikalalakas yan. Feeling ko, pero feeling ko gutom lang yan, guys. Pero alam ko mayroon pang mas ikalalakas yan, alright? Gusto ko marinig ang pinakamalakas na sigaw ng Ashley Nation in 3, 2, 1! So then, actually, ano lang yan, mamaya pag may ano pa sila, pag mamaya mas malakas pa yung sigaw nila para si Ashley.
So you make the broken feel whole. Shine, Ashley, don't you hide. You're the light inside the PBB house. Shine on, kahit mahirap ang daan. Shine on, di ka nag-isa kailanman. Sa bawat luha may panalo sa dulo. Ashley, ikaw ang ilaw ng puso. Ramdam namin ang iyong gustong manalo. Kaya dyan ka lang at di susuko. Sa gitna ng ingay na natiling kang kalmado. At dahil dyan kami proud sa'yo. Hindi kailangan ng sigaw o drama. Presence mo palang sapat na. Sa bawat task, binibigay ang lahat. Hindi para madyabang, kundi para sa pangarap. Ikaw ang patunay na ang kabutihan. Hindi kailanman kailangang itago sa dilim ng inspirasyon naming tunay. Kung minsan di mo makita ang galing mo, kami ang salamin, kami ang saksi sa'yo. Sa bawat hakbang may naniniwala, sa bawat pangarap kami kasama. Shine, Ashley, shine so bright. Kindness glowing in the darkest nights. Thus lay your heart, lead your soul. You make the broken feel whole. Shine, Ashley, don't you hide. You're the light inside the PBB house. Shine on, shine on, shine on, shine on, hanggang dulo ng kwento. Shine on, ikaw ang panalo sa puso. Ashley, pangalan mo'y ilaw at bituin sa bawat puso. Ikaw ang mananatiling shine.
Bago pa lang po kasabihan. I can't think of a lyric, 'cause I'm thinking of you. I can't stop dreaming, 'cause I'm sitting next to you. And I want you to stay with me, so don't get fall apart. But you were there to hold my heart. You feel so warm, like the sun that shines so bright. Oh, my days feel so good when I'm talking to you. Oh, the way that you look makes me fall for you more. Oh, how time slows down when I'm looking at you. I adore. Oh, every time that you walk by, I see a bright smile across the sky. Just know whenever I'm with you, you leave the sparkle to the admins, to Sparkle Nation, to the sponsors po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nag-attend po, nag-participate, and nag-put po ng effort and ng time po to make this possible. So, ayun po, thank you so much po sa support and love po ninyo. Kita-kits po ulit soon. Love you guys, thank you.